Metal cup. Multi-tool. Multi-tool. The plan. Gloves. Besides keeping your hands warm on those cold nights, a strong pair of gloves will protect your hands from the abuses of hard work and struggle during a bug out. Boots. Shelter. Your shelter can be anything ranging from a backpacking tent to a tarp you nabbed from the local hardware store. Whatever it is, don't forget this crucial item in your bug-out bag. A shelter will help you survive against the elements and save you from extreme hot or cold weather. Paracord. Fresh drinking water. One thing that should be kept and monitored in your bug-out bag is fresh drinking water. Sure, you might have that brand new water filter or fancy life straw. Compass and map. Canteen. As your primary water storage, your canteen needs to be versatile and strong. The size of the bottle should be determined by the owner and the contents of their bag, but 32 ounces, a good place to start. We recommend a metal canteen due to its strength and its ability to boil water. Bag. Surprisingly, when building a bug-out bag, the last thing you want is the bag itself. You need to make sure that the bag you pick will be able to hold all of your supplies. That's why it's a good idea to get your gear first, then find the bag that fits it all. Make sure it's also strong and reliable enough for a 3-day journey. Creek Stewart says it's important that your bug-out bag be a backpack. I've seen everything from baby strollers to laptop cases, and there is nothing that performs as well as a hands-free pack for both convenience and comfort. First aid kit. Knife. There is a lot that can be said about a survival knife, but it's most important that you are able to use it safely and correctly. Your instinct may be to go for that giant Rambo knife, but make sure it has all the hallmarks of a reliable survival knife first. Sleeping bag. Fire starter. Water filtration and purification.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.